Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Do not touch hot consumables without personal protective equipment. Important note: the following instructions are the same for slip-on or thread-on nozzles. Disconnect the control lead and power pin from the machine and cut the wire. Remove the Tregaskiss TOUGH LOCK nozzle. Loosen the TOUGH LOCK gas diffuser with an appropriate wrench and remove. Remove the neck insulator. If applicable, remove the power pin guide cap and pull the entire liner out of the MIG gun. Loosen the power pin with an appropriate wrench and remove. Install the AccuLock S power pin by hand and tighten with an appropriate wrench to the specified torque. With the MIG gun laying out straight, install the AccuLock S liner through the neck. Push the liner through until the brass liner lock bottoms on the neck. Ensure that you are using the proper neck insulator. To lock and center the liner, install and tighten the AccuLock S gas diffuser with an appropriate wrench. Install the AccuLock contact tip and tighten with welding pliers. Install the AccuLock S nozzle and ensure the neck insulator is installed properly. Place the AccuLock S power pin cap with the set screw over the liner and thread onto the power pin. Tighten the power pin cap snug against the power pin shoulder with welding pliers or an appropriate wrench. Holding the provided hex wrench as shown, tighten the set screw finger tight against the liner. Next, hold the hex wrench by the handle and tighten the set screw an additional 1/2 turn to fully secure the liner. Trim the liner flush to the power pin with a sharp set of side cutters. Insert a piece of welding wire into the liner to check for burrs or obstructions. If needed, loosen the set screw until the wire slides freely. Plug the power pin back into the machine, reconnect the control lead, and feed the wire through the MIG gun.